Smallest two-digit number is, the biggest two-digit number is. Answer is 10 is the smallest two-digit number and 99 is the biggest two-digit number. Next question. A figure with three sides is known as a, so below shape they are given. Answer is three sides, triangle, three sides polygon. Next question. A figure which has no sides and no corners are called. Answer is circle or oval. Fourth question. When any number is multiplied by 0, the answer is always, answer is 0. Any number multiplied with 0, answer is 0. A figure with 4 equal sides is called. Answer is square. Next question. Which is the largest three-digit number? Answer is 999. Largest number means we will have all the 9s. Smallest number means first 1, next 0 zeros. Next question. 1 kilogram equals how many grams? 1 kg equal to dash grams. Answer is 1000 grams. What time it will be when? It will be when the minute hand and hour hand both are at 12. Answer is 12 o'clock. Which is the smallest four-digit number? Answer is 1000. Which is the smallest even number? Answer is 2. What is the place value of 9 in 1592? So it is there in tens place, 2 in ones place, 5 in hundreds place, 1 in thousands place. That is tens, 90 we will get. When any number is multiplied by 1, the answer is the number itself. 5 times 6 equals to 5 into 6 equals to 5 6 30. There are 5 chocolates in one box. How many chocolates will be there in 4 boxes? So 4 5s are 4 into 5, 20. 10 plus 20 equals to 30. How many teeth does an adult have? Answer is 32 teeth. How many bones are there in the human body? Answer is 206 bones. What does sheep give us? Answer is wool and milk. Paper is obtained from which plant? Answer is bamboo plant. Which type of plant is a money plant? Answer is climbers. Which is the hardest mineral in the world? Answer is diamond. Water when freezes, it changes into? Answer is ice. Where do lions live? Answer is den. What do bees give us? Answer is honey. Sun rises in which direction? Answer is east direction. What is a house made of snow called? Answer is igloo. Which type of clothes do we wear in the winter season? Answer is woolen clothes. We should always cross the road at the? Answer is zebra crossing. The red light of the traffic signal tells us to? Answer is stop. The green light of the traffic signal tells us to? How many states are there in India? Answer is 28 states, 8 union territories. Who was the first man to step on the moon? Answer is Neil Armstrong, second person there in same mission, Buzz Aldrin. What does a caterpillar turn into? Answer is butterfly. This city is also known as Pink City. Answer is Jaipur. Which city is the capital city of India? Answer is New Delhi. Name the largest cat in the world. Answer is Siberian tiger. Name the current president of India. Answer is Ramnath Kovind. It is also known as Indian gooseberry. Is a rich source of vitamin C. Answer is Amla. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Answer is Statue of Unity, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel statue in India. Who was the first president of independent India? Answer is Rajendra Prasad. Which is the smallest state of India? Answer is Goa. Capital Panaji. Which city is the capital city of Madhya Pradesh? Answer is Bhopal. It is also called the ship of the desert. Answer is Camel. Name the planet on which we live. Answer is Earth. How many players are there in a cricket team? Answer is 11 players. Geeta Fogel is related to which game? Answer is wrestling. What do we call the doctor of teeth? Answer is dentist. Which bird lays the largest eggs in the world? Answer is ostrich, flightless bird and largest bird also. How many planets are there in the solar system? Answer is 8 planets. Pluto is no more a planet. What is the currency of the United States of America, USA? Answer is US dollar. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.